Hello, welcome to my tutorial again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use arc tool. So we have three options. We have center point arc, tangent arc, 3 point arc. So this we are going to demonstrate how to use the first one, which is the center point arc. So this is how to use it. Then you can click your smart dimension, give dimension of the arc. Let's say that's the diameter, and you can also define distance from here to here. Okay, let's say okay. So that's how to add dimension to arc and other type of arc. Let me demonstrate how to use them. This 3 point arc, which is the third option. This 3 point arc, it has been selected. So pick this point and then you don't need to reference, you don't need to start the sketch from the circle, just like this 3 point arc. So you pick the first point and the end point, then you define the radius of the arc. So this tangent arc, it requires straight line for you to sketch it, because the arc will be tangential to this line. So pick and then click tangent line, then you start from here and draw. So you can go up this way. Okay, so this is how to draw a tangent arc, and these are the three type of arc we have in Solidworks.